In this video, we are going to create this animated hero section in Figma in just a few minutes. First, let's create the color styles. For the primary color, I am going to use purple. Next, let's create a dark gray color. And then light gray color style. Now let's create a new frame. So I'm going to use this MacBook Air frame which is 1280 pixels wide. Let's change the frame background to black because we are creating a dark theme design. Then rename the frame. Next, let's add a layout guide. Select columns, set the count to 12, the margin to 60 pixels and the gutter to 12 pixels. You can also change the layout guide color like this. Now let's create a simple logo in the top left corner. Next, change the font style like this. Now let's create the navigation links. The first one will be home, then hold Alt and drag this text to duplicate it. Rename the other links to features, pricing and about. Then select all these navigation links and add auto layout. Then adjust the spacing to around 44 pixels. Next, add an underline to this home link. To do that, select this text and make it a frame. Then add a bottom stroke. Change the stroke color to the primary color. Now let's create a button. Duplicate this text and move it to the right. Change the text to get started. And then add auto layout. Add 100 pixels corner radius so the button will have round corners. And let's fill the button with the primary color. Then select the logo, links and the button and add an auto layout to align these nicely. Since the frame is 1280 pixels, let's set the width of this navigation also to 1280 pixels. Then align it like this and add 24 pixels top and bottom padding. Then align it to top. Next, add a slightly visible stroke like this. Then let's add a background color to navigation. So I'm going to use dark gray. Then change the opacity to around 38. Then let's create a small tag. So duplicate the button and change the padding like this. Then change the text to Beta Now Live. After that, change the color to dark gray. Then let's add a small circle here with the primary color. Then move the circle inside the frame and change the gap. Then let's add a main heading. So center align it like this. Now let's highlight these two words. Then change the font weight to medium and also change the font style like this. We need to reduce the line spacing a bit. And let's move it here. Now I am going to paste a subtext here. Let's make the width of the subtext the same as the main heading. So now I'm going to add two buttons here. Let's copy the same button, and it would be better if we increase the padding a bit like this. So this will be 32. Then go to plugins and search for Iconify. You will find this plugin. So we need to find an arrow icon from here. Let's use this one. Rename the button and move the arrow inside the button frame. We need to rotate it like this. Then change the color to white. So here the icon size is 24 pixels. So now let's add a secondary button next to this primary button. Change the text to View Demo. And let's remove the arrow from this secondary button. Also remove the background color and add a stroke with the primary color. Then fill it with dark gray. Then select both of the buttons and change the gap to around 12 pixels. Now select all of these and add an auto layout. Change the gap to 32 pixels. Reduce the spacing between text and navigation to around 60 pixels. Now let's add some gradient here. For that, create a circle and set the width to 532 and height to 230 pixels. Now change the color to primary, then go to Effects and click Layer Blur. And let's move this a bit and rotate it like this. Then duplicate this and keep it on the right side. Let's move this inside the frame. Now we need to add the animated wave. So for that I'm going to use Spline. Just go to the browser and search for Spline. Click this link. You can get the link even from the description. So this platform has many 3D elements, animated elements, and you can even customize them on this platform itself. So to get started, first you need to create an account. If you already have one, click login. If not, click get started. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. So after you log in, you will see this section. On the left side, go to the community tab. Here you can find various types of templates and 3D designs. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use an element which is named Clarity Stream. So if you can't find it, just search for it in the search bar like this. And you will find many elements like this, but I'm going to use this one, so I will add the link of this element as well in the description. Now go back to Figma. So basically what we are going to do is, first we need to create a frame, and to that frame we are going to embed the animated element. So first let's reduce the frame height a bit. Then create a frame inside the home. change the height to 300 pixels. Align it to bottom like this. Now to embed the animated design, we are going to use a plugin called Anima. So just go to plugins and search for Anima. So here is the plugin. Here also you need to create an account. Click this login button. You can just enter your details and create an account. So after you successfully log in, you will see a screen like this. We don't need this screen. So let's just close this and go back to Figma. Here click this settings icon and scroll down a bit. Then turn on this option called Show Legacy Sync Flow. Then close this and then select the frame we just created. Then go to the prototype tab. Here you can see there's an option called embed code. So just click it. Here we need to add a code. So that code is in Spline. Scroll down and click this remix button. Then click export button. Go to play settings. Then hide the background color here. So this element will be transparent. And here are some more settings also which you can customize. Then click update public URL. Here you can see the URL has been updated. So go to our view and click copy embed. Then go to Figma and paste the code here. Then click save. Then click preview button. Here you can see the output. Let's change the screen size. Here you can see the element is overlapped with the secondary button. So let's move the wave behind the button. Back to plugin. Select this frame and drag it down like this. Then go back to preview. So here is our final output. You can view this animation in Figma prototype and you have to preview it like this because we used an embed code. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.